guys, welcome back to Jeevashastra Abhyasa. I am your educator Niranjan Hegde. Today in this video we are going to learn about crossing over and linkage. So these two are a very important topic, so which can come for 2 marks and sometimes may come for 1 mark question also. So why it is important? Because repeatedly these questions are appearing on your board syllabus. So that's why we are discussing here this one. And you already know what it is, because this has been introduced in your first year syllabus or 11th syllabus in the chapter cell division. Okay, so let's learn it. So what it is, first we'll take the crossing over. What is crossing over we'll know, then we go for the linkage. So that's why I'll rub the linkage over here. Okay, crossing over. What is crossing over and what the crossing over is defined as? Okay, fine. An interchange of what? An interchange of chromosomes between what? Between a non-sister chromatids of homologous chromosomes. So what happens after this? So it results in the formation of, results in the formation of what? The hybrid, or the formation of the formation of new characters, or the formation or the exchange of, can use exchange of characters. So this may happen. So this will happen, not may. This is going to happen when crossing over takes place. So what is going to happen? An interchange in the chromosomes. A small part of the chromosome is going to get interchanged. I'll show you in the diagram itself. Then between non-sister chromatids. What are non-sister chromatids? That one also I'm going to tell you. So non-sister means it's not like they're not the sisters. Okay, yeah, that is one. Of 2 homologous chromosomes resulting in the formation of, or the exchange of the characters, which is going to give a recombinant type of DNA. Okay, recombinant DNA or recombinant individual, the characters. So let's see. Okay, it's not right. Okay, so I'll rub it later. I'm not going to use the blue colored one. Okay, so now the thing is, let's see what is that particular thing is, how it is going to, and in which stage it is going to happen. So you all know that this crossing over takes place in meiosis, especially in meiosis 1. Okay, in prophase 1, in that also it is going to take place in very important stage, that is patchwork, the patchwork stage. Okay, let's see how it is going to happen. Okay, I'll just draw the homologous chromosomes first. So they will be having 2. Okay, this is one chromosome and this is another chromosome, and this is the centromere. Okay, so these are the 2 homologous chromosomes, where what is going to happen? So they come together in the patchwork stage. When they come together, okay, these 2 are the non-sister chromatids. So what is going to happen? So here, so 2 sister chromatids are going to cross over. This is going to cross over which results in the exchange of characters. Exchange of characters. I'll show the exchange of characters here. Only a small part of the chromosome, non-sister chromatids, has exchanged. How this is exchanged, I'll tell you. So when the crossing over taken place in the Pachytene stage, this point is known as what? It is known as the region of chiasmata. Okay, where the exchange of the small piece of chromosome is going to take place. That is known as chiasmata. Okay, so this is going to, in the patch, after the prophase, at the end of the prophase 1, so it's going to slightly, they will be very near to it, and which is going to form a X-shaped structure. Okay, that is what the continuation of chiasmata at the end of the prophase 1. And what happens to this? So now the exchange of characters has taken place, and it will going to divide in the meiosis 2. Both of them are going to get divided. So these are going to get divided in the first meiosis. Then it will be like this, right? The both of them. So I'm going to show you 1 second. Yeah. So this is going to happen like this, and this is. So now they are both are there in. Okay, they are in 2 different cells. Okay. Now what happens in the meiosis 2? There will be division again. So these are going to separate, right? One comes here, one is going to come over here in the one cell at the end of the meiosis I am talking about, and another one in the other cell. So it's going to, centromere is going to pull apart, and they are going to form a new structure, and they are going to go into different cells, 4 different cells at the end of the meiosis. So then the 2 cells will have a different character than that of the parents, right? So that is what crossing over and the result of crossing over is. So I hope you understood this particular thing. So based on this itself, there is a particular linkage is there, the crossing on the basis of crossing over itself. I'll show you what it is also. Okay, now linkage. Okay. What is linkage? Okay, linkage is defined as the tendency of genes, the tendency of 2 or more genes present, the tendency of the tendency of 2 or more genes to present over the same chromosome even during the which process? The inheritance. Even during the process of inheritance. That means the presence, I'll show you with the diagram itself. So I hope the part is, I'll show here. Okay. So there is a particular chromosome is there. Okay. So where there is a presence of one gene over here, one gene over here. So these genes are packed together. Okay, these 3 genes, 4 genes, whatever the number of genes are, they are packed together. When they are going to separate, the chromosomes are when they are going to separate, they will not, the genes are not going to get separated. They are always together. That process of keeping them together is known as linkage, or they are linked together when the process of inheritance also takes place. So this comes for, I hope, 1 marks question it is. Mainly, next, what I'm telling you is there are two types of linkages are there. One is complete linkage, another one is incomplete linkage. Very simple it is. So when it comes to the complete linkage, first one, and the second one is incomplete. So these genes which are present over the chromosomes are linked with the bonds. Okay, linked with bonds. So if the bonds, the bonds are formed stronger when the genes are very near to each other. The bonds between the two genes or more genes, when they are very near to each other, the bonds are stronger and they will not be broken. Okay, they cannot be broken. That is what complete linkage is. And incomplete linkage is defined as, so mainly when the chromosome is there, okay, the chromosomes, when these chromosomes on the chromosomes, the genes are very far away and they are linked. The bonds which are formed are weak. Okay, weak bonds will be there. So which is going to break during the process of the inheritance and they are going to get separated. That is what incomplete dominance means. So I hope you got understood what the crossing over and linkages are. 1-2 marks questions these are. So if you understood this video and liked you have understood the topic mainly, so just give a thumbs up, that is like, and subscribe to the channel for further more videos. So I hope I'll be coming with a good number of videos in this period of lockdown, and all the students, especially who are below 18 years of age, so my audience, so, and also you tell your friends and all those things, so that stay in home, learn, but do not go outside, because right now it is not affecting you people, but even then please do not go wander around the places. Just stay home, learn smart. Let's grow together. Jai Hind.